Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a real quick baked ziti recipe. I've already cooked my pound of ground beef and my onion. I've already chopped that up. I've cooked them both and I've drained it. And I've already made my pasta and I have got it set aside as well. Right now, I'm taking two 26-ounce jars of spaghetti sauce. You can pick any spaghetti sauce you would like. Ragu is our favorite. So that's what I'm putting in here. And I'm going to stir this. And we're going to let this simmer for about 15 minutes. And then we're going to start assembling our ziti. It will go in the oven. You're going to have to preheat your oven 350 degrees. And we will start there in just a few minutes. I want to get this simmering real quick. And then we'll start. You're going to need a 9x13 pan. Greased. Okay? I'll see you back here in 15. Okay, y'all. So you're going to want to take half of your cooked ziti. Put it in your greased pan. You're going to put 2, 4, 6, 8 slices of sliced provolone over that. Then we're going to take our sour cream. Yes, it calls for sour cream. The recipe calls for sour cream. So 1.5 cups of sour cream. So I'm going to just put it in little dollops. And then I'll spread it out. Hopefully I won't have any problems. Never heard of sour cream in something like this. So it's kind of a, I was like, you know what? We're just going to do it. So 1.5 cups of sour cream. I'm going to be kind of sparingly with it because I'm just not sure. So just kind of carefully spread it out best you can. Alrighty. Okay. Then half of the meat sauce. Very similar to lasagna. Okay. Put a little bit over these little areas here. Okay. Now, then we're going to put the rest of the ziti on top. Okay. Mozzarella. And I just had some Italian style shredded cheese, not cheddar, but cheese. And so that's what I'm going to use. And I'm sure that was more than a cup. Or 6 ounces. It was more than 6 ounces, I'm sure. But it's going to be cheesy and delish. Okay, and then the remaining sauce. put some parm on top. So you're supposed to put 2 tablespoons worth, but you know, I'm not sure we'll do that, but all right. Go. Okay. Preheated oven, 350 degrees for about 30 minutes until everything's melted and heated all the way through, because everything's basically cooked. We just need to mix all the flavors together. All right, 350 degrees for 30 minutes. I'll see you back here when it's done. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. We got done in 30 minutes. It's got some stringy cheese. Everybody loves stringy cheese, and I paired it with some garlic bread. We have this kind of garlic bread with everything. We just get the cheap French bread loaves at Walmart, cut them, put butter and garlic salt on them, really good. This may need a little bit of salt, but other than that, I think it's going to turn out great. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a real quick casserole, chicken broccoli rice casserole. And you're going to need to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And go ahead and spray your 9x13 pan and set it aside. And we're going to need 2 packets of Knorr cheddar and broccoli rice. I couldn't find Knorr brand, so I had to get the generic cheddar broccoli. I'm going to put it in a big bowl. And I'm gonna mix all this together and put it in the pan. I had some shredded chicken left over from another recipe, so I went ahead and I'm gonna use that instead of cooking more chicken. And I'm gonna need 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. Put that right here. And I'm already steaming my broccoli that we're going to put in here. You just need 1 bag of broccoli, and I'm steaming that while we get this together. Another can. And chicken, you need about 2.5 cups worth. I have no idea how much that was that I put in there, so I just put it in there because it was left over. Okay. Add all that. This always takes me forever with these cans. We're gonna need some broth. So it'll be 1 whole can of chicken broth, or a little less than 2 cups worth. And then we're going to go ahead and put our seasoning in. We're going to need a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Okay. I'm waiting on my broccoli. Mix this up. So you have your soups, your chicken, your broth, your rice packets, and your seasoning in this. It's really quick and easy. See it. Gonna pour all of this in here, and you can use chopped chicken. You do not have to do it shredded. Okay, that, and then we are going to take out our broccoli. Dump it in here. And I just did a bag of florets. And you don't have to mix this. Just kind of move it around a little bit. And then 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. I'm going to use some of my leftover cheese too, because I didn't want to shred any. Some leftover cheese that I have. Sprinkle all that on. And a little bit more. Just a little bit. Alright, so you're going to cook this for about a half an hour. And should be brown and bubbly. Brown on the edges and bubbly. And the cheese will be melted. So I'll see you back here in half an hour. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. Does not take long at all. And it's ready to go. You'll see brown, crispy edges, just a little. And then, even though I steamed this broccoli, it can finish cooking in the process, and then it shouldn't take long for the rice to cook. So I'm just gonna let it sit here and cool, and it'll just continue to cook the rice. So real easy and quick. Didn't take much money at all to make. I think the rice packets, since they were generic, were like $1 and something. Like $1.25 or something. And then the broccoli was like $1. And then I already had the cheese on hand, but that would be a couple bucks also. So you're talking about a $5 supper. Not counting the chicken. So if you count the chicken, maybe 7 at the most. I mean, at the extreme most. Okay. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.